Artoonza.
Hello, tiny architects and magical mushroom dreamers! Did you know mushrooms have been secretly dreaming of becoming houses?
Aw, so cute.
Today, we're making that dream come true. We're drawing the silliest, most adorable mushroom house, complete with fluffy clouds above and lush green grass below. Then it's full glitter mode, paint drops, and yes, a sneaky little polish moment. The mushroom absolutely insisted. Grab your brushes and sparkliest supplies, because this art is about to get seriously shiny, colorful, and oh so sweet. Give us your like. Let's create some magical mushroom art together. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. The mushroom house woke up one sunny morning and decided it was done being plain. I demand sunshine, it cried dramatically. So we dripped gorgeous golden yellow paint, swirling and brushing it into pure, warm, glowing perfection. Even the actual sun peeked through the clouds and whispered, "Hey, that's my color." Honestly, the mushroom wore it way better. Give us a big thumbs up. Next came the grass, lush, glossy, and absolutely full of itself. We painted it with the shiniest light green polish, and suddenly the mushroom house had the fanciest lawn in the entire forest. Neighboring mushrooms were staring. We're not sorry. This grass didn't just grow, it glowed. Then the sky and clouds got their glow-up moment with the most dazzling light blue glitter polish. Suddenly, the mushroom house had the sparkliest sky in the whole universe. The clouds literally gasped. Even the stars called and said they wanted in.
Aw, so cute.
Smash that like button now. And finally, the grand finale, the star of the show, the moment we'd all been waiting for, red! We're talking the boldest, brightest, most iconic mushroom red the art world has ever seen.
Wow!
We dripped the paint dramatically like a true artist, then brushed it across the mushroom cap with the confidence of someone who absolutely knows what they're doing. We totally did. The mushroom house took one look at itself and said, "I am a masterpiece." And honestly, we agreed. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.